My name is J.S. Cournoyer. I am a co-founder and partner at Real Ventures. Real Ventures is an early stage fund, but in addition to investing in great entrepreneurs in the tech sector, we also are ecosystem builders. When I look at Montreal, Montreal has a lot of great assets that make it a great place for an entrepreneurs to aspire to be able to build a great tech company here. First of all, we have amazing universities, so that we produce great engineers, a lot of great research people in most of the major important fields, like artificial intelligence, for example, is an area where we are world class. We also have a great creative talent pool that comes from the French and English cultures that are colliding or collaborating, and that have created a TV industry and a movie industry, and newspapers and books and whatnot. So we get artistic, creative people with both languages. So even though we have a very small market, all this talent exists, and all this talent is very helpful and useful for startups. Surprisingly as well, if you look at the Canadian market as a whole, Montreal is the place where most of the VCs, most of the venture capital funds, have their head office. So there's a lot of capital for startups at early stages as they get started. So Montreal is also now a market in which international investors do not fear coming in and investing. So Real Ventures is a seed investor where we invest very early, but a lot of our companies end up raising capital from US investors or even European investors at their next round. So the $5 to $10 million round, a lot of our companies, like Breather is a good example. Breather has raised 2 large rounds of funding. One was a $6 million round led by a New York VC, and the other one was a $20 million round led by a California VC. So Montreal is a top 10 city in the world to build the next great tech companies in the future.